Find a really good multifamily broker to represent you in the market. And listen to what I just told you. I didn't say find a real estate agent. I didn't say find someone that has a real estate license. I didn't say go to your Uncle Joe who's kind of working part-time, has got the real estate license. No, I didn't say it. I said work with a multifamily broker, specifically that specializes in multifamily properties, is full-time, you want them even more than full-time, but is full-time working in that specific niche in the market that you want to own multifamily properties in. So why do you want to do that? Because those people that spend 10 hours a day working just on multifamily properties, they're going to be able to have those relationships with those owners that own those properties.